Hello everyone, it's Quoia Renae and I'm back with another video for you all. So first of all, y'all, my sister was asleep. Um she got two faces and stuff on this video, but we ain't gonna talk about that, okay? I'm doing a sew-in for you all today, and I'm just gonna let you all see how I install her middle part sew-in. So I usually do my sister's and my own sew-in, and I just wanted you all to see how I get these installs, and I'm just using some regular nylon thread and the curved needles, and I'm just doing some stitching. And I'm also going to let you all see how I would do her like some beach wave curls. I love when she has her curls like that. She likes it as well. And I'm just going to let you all continue to watch this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the not in the description box, honey. You can't leave it there, but leave it in the comment section down below. Also, I am going to blur myself out because I looked a hot mess. I usually look a hot mess when I'm doing their hair. I don't ever try to look cute because I want to be comfortable, because I got to be moving around and standing on my feet for hours. So I'll try to get comfortable. So I look a mess, so that's why I'm blurred out. So now that I have completed her install, I'm just using my Silverbird turbo dryer that I got from Sally's, and I'm just blow drying her hair as straight as possible. I feel like when your hair is not super straight, but I guess straight enough for where a blow dryer could get it, your curls look better, they're less frizzier, and they come out a lot fluffier and nicer. So I like to take the blow dryer and just blow dry the hair straight so that the curls can fall for that beach wave look. So I also decided to use my Paw Mental Skinny Serum to help with the frizziness, because this hair is a little bit old. This hair is also from Kendra's Boutique. I think it actually is over 1 year old. I'm not even gonna keep telling y'all. I think it is over 1 year old, but it has lasted a really long time, and you all can see in the video that this hair still can get straightened and curled flawlessly. So definitely make sure you hit her up. Kendra's Boutique. No, this is not a sponsorship. I just like her hair. But I'm just straightening the roots of her hair right now, and I'm using my tension brush. You can order a tension brush from Amazon. I think they got them in some beauty supply stores. I'm just hitting her roots, and then I'm also going to take the, I don't know if I showed it in this video, I don't think I did, but I'm going to take the flat iron and just flatten iron the ends of her hair too, because I don't want it to be frizzy. I want everything to be beautifully and fall beautifully. So I'm just hitting those roots of her hair with the flat iron. So here I am just going in with my shape and holding spray, and you can get that from the beauty supply store as well, or order it from Amazon. And I'm just spraying it on all the sections of her hair so that I can make sure her hair actually holds and the curls last. And I'm just going to take my wand curler that I got from Sally's. I'm wrapping it around the wand curler, but I'm leaving like the tail ends of the hair off the wand curler. Like, I'm not wrapping her hair completely around it because I want the ends to be straight to get that beach wave look. So I'm not wrapping it completely around the wand curler. Also, y'all have to excuse my sister's face in this video. She always has a mean mug in almost all my videos. She always mugging. She was tired. She was ready to get home to her husband. I get it a little bit, but dang, can you smile for us? Like, hey, I'm talking about y'all. She smiled not one time. I think she did like one little tiny smirk for 3 seconds, and then she went back to this little face that she's making right now. So y'all just excuse that, okay, and focus on this hair and catch this like. So now you all, I am blending her leave out. Before I put any heat on her leave out, I use the heat protectant by Tresemme. I also put some of the Paul Mitchell Skinny Serum on there, and then I went in with my Care Wax Stick. And the reason that I use those 3 products together is because it blends beautifully, like beautifully. So I opt in to use those products. It may sound like a lot of products, but when you're trying to blend in kinky hair with straight hair, Brazilian hair, all them other type of hairs, you need more product. You don't need all those products on your weave, but you need some products on your natural hair to blend. So I'm using my Care Wax Stick now, but before I use my Care Wax Stick, I did go in with some heat protectant as well as my Paul Mitchell Skinny Serum. So after I'm done blending in her leave out with the weave, as you all can see, it blended really nice. I'm going to go ahead and lay her edges. I'm using this edge control by I can't even remember her name, but actually I want to do a separate video on this edge control because I really like it, y'all, like a lot. So I will let you all know about that in a separate video, but I'm just using a spoolie to lay down her hairs, and then I'm going to go in with my blow dryer set on the cool setting, and I'm just going to blow dry and set her edges in place so that they last all day, even tomorrow, girl. And after that is pretty much the end of the video. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope you all got some hair tips. Let me know in the comment section what else you all would like to see on my channel. Don't forget to follow your girl on Instagram at Quoia_Renae. I love you all so much. I really love y'all. Especially the ones who really support me and don't be just watching to criticize. I love y'all. Y'all the real OGs. And make sure you all have your notification bell set on so that you don't miss another video that I upload. Love y'all. Bye.